Identifying formal and informal language is only the first step. To communicate effectively, you must be able to actively move a text from one style to another, adjusting the tone to fit your reader. This chart shows variables to adjust. Formal writing uses professional vocabulary, informal uses slang, and semi-formal bridges the two. As your audience changes, your language must change. We map this. An office requires formal tone, a school is semi-formal, and home is informal. Mastering these transitions is a practical form of context switching. It is the process of adjusting your delivery to navigate different social and professional expectations. To shift an informal sentence formal, apply specific operations. First, remove slang like dude or bro. Next, expand contractions. I'm becomes I am. Replace words like help with assistance. To reverse the process, intentionally shorten sentences and swap complex terms for casual vocabulary. Semi-formal writing requires a balance. You remove the extreme slang while maintaining a conversational tone that isn't as rigid as a formal document. Communication is about calibration. You are choosing the specific words that match the relational distance between you and the person reading your work. Punctuation follows the same scale. In formal writing, exclamation marks and emojis are removed entirely, leaving only standard full stops and commas. One common error occurs with the hyphen. A hyphen is a short mark used to join two words together as a single unit, like well-known. A dash, however, is longer. It creates a break in the sentence to insert extra information or a sudden thought. Look at this sample sentence. The combination of slang and excessive exclamation marks creates a tone that is inconsistent with a professional request. Misusing micromechanics like dashes or punctuation can signal a lack of control over your writing structure. Even small errors can change the way a reader perceives your message. We will now apply these rules for vocabulary, tone, and punctuation to a final set of transformation tasks. Before you write, run through this 5-second checklist. Confirm the audience, purpose, vocabulary, punctuation, and tone. Here are 5 sentences. Pause the video and apply the rules to change each one. Review the changes. Hey dude, I missed school becomes Dear teacher, I missed today's class. The slang is gone, the greeting is respectful, and the structure is complete. Learning to adapt your language is a practical tool. It ensures your message is received correctly and professionally, regardless of the context.